How to replace a 2023 Ford Bronco 4-button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
All right, we're going to change the battery out on our 4-button Ford remote here. This one is the remote start. Yours might have the hatch or the tailgate. You might have noticed that you can't open the doors or the vehicle doesn't want to start like it's supposed to unless you get the remote closer. Let's do the cheap and easy repair first. Simple. Let's go ahead and remove emergency key blade. I prefer using a flat tip screwdriver for this task. You notice where the blade came out. You got this indentation. Put your flat tip in, twist it, and you notice how it popped up. Take your flat tip and just slide it in on the side. The cover came off. Sometimes it wants to be a little stubborn. Be careful because you do have this little tab right here. Give you a little better view of it. You notice the battery already popped out. 2450 is your battery. With that, these are new remotes, so we're just going to put this battery back in. You notice how it has come down this side first. Then you'll push down on the battery. It didn't want to latch in with these little tabs. Don't worry. As long as the battery sits in like this, you'll be fine. This holder is designed to set it in there. That little tab goes in, push down. You just changed your battery out. Hey, thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there and have a good day.